as you pointed out, the social minimum is something that has always been on our agenda. I think since 10, or I believe actually someone mentioned the other day in the meeting, that since 2012 there have been agreements with business owners on the island that they're willing to increase the social minimum. I believe at that time it was by $10 an hour. And at that time, the Ministry of Social Affairs said that they didn't think that it was feasible because it would become at a high cost to the ministry. Bear in mind, not to the businesses, but to the ministry. And then they required all these studies and whatever. And finally, I believe it was in 2017, 2018, that they did the ratio plan study, which said what the social minimum on these islands should be. Since then, there has been some movements in that direction, but they have not actually set it. And I'm not sure if there's this idea in political circles in the Netherlands that the plan was taken last year where it was increased by 10% towards the minimum wage, if that was somehow putting the social minimum in motion, because that's not how we see it. Yeah. We believe that you have to agree on where the social minimum is, and then you have to take steps to get there, or immediately go there and then figure it out later on how we're going to address the consequences of it. But at this moment, there has been no movement, and we express that to the First Chamber members.